Okay, hello everyone. So today's topic is on WhatsApp forensics. Very important topics. So we are going to study about WhatsApp forensics, which is the one of the most important topic in modern cyber forensic investigations. Okay, so nowadays WhatsApp is one of the most widely used communication platform uh, in the world. Okay, so people use WhatsApp for texting messages, voice calling, video calling, group communication, sharing images and videos. Okay, sharing documents, location sharing also. So because of this, WhatsApp evidence appears in a large number of cybercrime and criminal investigations. Okay, so in many cases criminal prefer WhatsApp communication instead of traditional SMS or voice calls. As we discussed previously, WhatsApp uses UIP, voice over internet protocol. Okay, so these calls are transmitted over the internet, so therefore such communications generally do not appear in traditional CDR records, call detail records. Okay, so apart from calls, chat conversation may contain a valuable evidence regarding financial fraud, extortion, cyber stalking, harassment, threat, earning message, criminal conspiracies. In many situations, suspect intentionally delete the chats. Okay, so we have to analysis that kind of chat and recover that kind of chats. Okay, so today we will learn about how we can uh, perform forensic investigations on a WhatsApp chat. Forensic analysis is how we can perform chat analysis on WhatsApp. Okay, so uh, basically we have to understand what are the keys areas we are focusing on WhatsApp. So basically the keys areas are recovering deleted message. We have to recovering the deleted message also, tracing digital evidences, analyzing media and attachments, extracting metadata also, and deleting deleted and detecting any type of malware and phishing attacks also. Okay, so may the malwares are deleted, so we have to analysis the deleted, the malwares, deleted malwares and hidden malwares also inside the WhatsApp chat also. Okay, so for that purpose we are using the WhatsApp chat forensics. Okay, so the types of data extracted in WhatsApp forensics are basically chat history, call logs, media files, chat history, call logs, media files, contacts and group data, metadata and timestamp, device and account information, cloud backups. Okay, so the methods and techniques used in WhatsApp forensics are basically there are three methods and techniques: logical extractions, physical extractions, cloud data extractions. So basically, in logical extraction, the tools are used basically cerebrite, UFED, magnetosome, oxygen forensics. The purpose is to extract access, accessible data from the phone, including message, contacts, and media files. For physical extractions, UFED physical analyzer are used, and also mobile for edit or forensics are used to recover deleted message, call logs, and hidden files by cloning the device storage. Okay, and third one is the cloud data extraction. Basically, the tools are Lcom soft Explorer for WhatsApp, Oxygen, Forensic, Cloud Extractor are used. Basically, this the purpose is to access WhatsApp backup from Google Drive or iCloud without the physical device. Okay, so here we have to understand what are the logics behind it. Okay, so the methods and techniques used in WhatsApp forensics is also the SQLite database. Okay, the WhatsApp chats are basically saved locally, also stored locally in the format of msg store.db message and wa.db contact. So extract chat history and metadata stored in the local databases also. We can use these techniques. I will show you practically how you can uh, collect the data, how you can decrypt the data and analysis the chat forensics. Okay. And fifth one is decrypting WhatsApp backups. You can also use techniques to decrypt the WhatsApp backups, because the WhatsApp chat in a local database are encrypted. Okay. Also network forensics analysis. So network traffic analysis are basically you can use Wireshark to monitor WhatsApp data packets for security and forensics analysis. So before beginning extractions, remember one important things. In digital forensic investigations, maintaining the chain of custody is extremely important. Normally, the mobile device itself is seized and preserved as a evidence. Okay, without access to the device, performing complete WhatsApp forensic analysis becomes more difficult. Okay, so therefore, the physical device itself plays a very important role in WhatsApp investigations. Okay, now let's move to the practical demonstrations. I will show you how you can uh, analysis, how you can collect the data, which data is important, what the data means. Okay, everything we will see here. Just 1 minute. Okay, now I am using the screen mirror of a Android phone, so I can demonstrate you uh, how exactly we are doing here and what are the purpose and what kind of file we will collect and the purpose and the logic behind it. Okay, so please
Um,
confirm once again, is
which
screen is
which
visible to you?
which emulator is this? This thing, your
Basically,
phone
this is
screen.
this is not an emulator. We are using an screen sharing through you can see this is not an emulator, this is a screen sharing. We are using Avella forensics for Android. Okay, as we already discussed about it, we are using Avella
Okay,
forensics screen sharing technique. Okay, mirror device.
okay,
In phone forensics we already discussed about it. Okay.
okay,
Okay, now we have to understand where WhatsApp store its data. Okay, locally. So WhatsApp stores the chats data base locally inside the device. So you have how we can check in Android phone the WhatsApp store the data locally. So you have to go to the file manager, click on file manager. You can see here. You can see in file manager you have to go to Android section, click on Android sections. You can see these three folders exist in Android section, data, media, and you have to go to the media section. So okay, then you can see com.whatsapp. Okay, you have to click on this com.whatsapp, click on WhatsApp. You can see here the three file exist: backups, database, media. Okay, click on databases. Now you can see the msg store.db crypt 14. Basically you can see here basic msg store.db.crypt 14 is what? Basically this is encrypted file. Okay, and generally found in format. You can see the crypt font, crypt 14 means encrypted. Okay, you can see crypt 12, crypt 14, crypt 15. So these files are encrypted to protect user privacy. Okay, just you have to see one more files, click on backups. You can see on backups, you can see also the file is wa.db crypt 14. What does it means? These files name msgstore.db and crypt.fit, uh msgstore.db dot crypt 14 and wa.db dot crypt 14. In msgstore.db it contains the messages. Okay, So internally WhatsApp uses SQLite database. Okay, so two important files in database are msgstore.db and wa.db. Basically msgstore.db, this database contains chat message, group chats, timestamps, message information, and the wa.db contains the contact information, saved name, phone numbers. So these two databases together provide a complete picture of communications. Okay. uh, so you can see these two files are very important for us. Okay, so now we will show you practically demonstration how we can basically if you are going to perform the WhatsApp chat forensics, you are going to decrypt this file because these file are encrypted. Then you have to at first decrypt the file, then you can get, then you can see the chat. Okay, without the authentication of a number, without the authentication of a phone device. Okay, at first you have to decrypt these files. Okay, so you can see I am mirroring the Android device screen. You can see here, this is the phone. This is not an emulator, this is a live phone. Okay, so at first you have to connect device with a PC. Okay, so as we already shown you the encrypted file. Okay, so you can see here, uh, basically these file are encrypted. So these file are unreadable because they are encrypted. So suppose I only load msgstore.db. uh, msgstore.db, it contains only messages. Let's perform the steps how you can get this file and decrypt the this file using WhatsApp Forensicator software. At first you have to enable developer options on phone. Go to the setting sections. Just in go to the setting sections. You can see you have to click on about phone, click on MIUI version. Continuously you have to click on 5 seconds. Then you can see the message is showing that no need, no need, you are already a developer. If you are not a developer on developer mode, you have to enable the developer mode options. Okay, then you have to search on USB debugging options. Okay, USB debugging options you can see here. Okay, uh, click on USB debugging. You can enable, you can see here, you have to enable these things: USB debugging enable, install via USB. Okay, after developer mode is enabled, you have to enable the USB debugging mode enable. Okay, you may also use the install, you can also enable the install via USB. Okay, or wireless, you can also choose the wireless debugging also. Okay, depending on upon your setup. Okay, so connecting the device. Now I will open the WhatsApp Forensicator software. Okay, you can see WhatsApp Forensicator software is open now. Okay, now you have to click on connect USB. Okay, then after you can see on a phone open, what you can see uh, here, after successful connection the software display the device name and Android version. Okay, you can see the device name is a Redmi and the model name, and the version is Android 13. You can see here It means that your device is successfully connected with your computer system. Okay, then after this indicating that the device has been detected successfully and connected successfully. Okay, then after there is the extractions options are here. At first you have to choose the destinations locations. You can see the output folder. You have to choose a output folder here. uh, you can choose the output folder. uh, let's suppose I am choosing the output folder as a YGU. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can choose any folder according to your, let's choose a WA forensics, or also you can create any specific files or folder. Okay, then click on select. You can see here after selection, after choosing the destination output folder, you have the option, uh, these option legacy extraction and also these extractions. Okay, so basically if you the phone is non-rooted, you can choose the legacy extractions method. Okay, for non-rooted device we select the legacy extractions. So this process allows us to extract the encrypted database and obtain the necessary keys for decryptions. Okay, click on the legacy extractions. Okay, uh, now you can see the what kind of pop-up you will see on a phone. Okay, you can see the this method will backup current WhatsApp APK. You can see the pop-ups here. You can see it will uninstall the WhatsApp, keeping the data, install the legacy WhatsApp on your phone, then create an Android backup and extract the key and extract the msgstore.db and extract the wa.db and restore the original WhatsApp. Okay, your data will be preserved. You will need to confirm backup on phone. Enter the password when prompted to remember it. If you enter any password, you have to fill the password here also on phone. Okay, okay, so this software basically temporarily removes the original WhatsApp and install a legacy version. After installation, a prompt appears, backup my data. Okay, just click on yes. You have to just leave the blank. Okay, click on OK. You can see the status is showing here. You can see on phone this will appear. Install via USB. You have to click on install. Okay, then after installation a prompt appears, backup my data. We have to wait for it. Okay, now you can see it will ask for backup my data. You can see, you can see here you have to enter the password. If you have to leave it, no need to enter any kind of password here. Okay, just click on backup my data. Okay, then wait patiently. Okay, after a few moments the extraction and decryption process will complete successfully. Okay, you have to wait for it. You can see the progress bar here. Just you have to wait for some minutes. Okay, now you can see you it will restoring the WhatsApp and successfully decrypt and backup the data. Here you can see the extraction is successfully. Okay, you can see the file is stored on the destination files, the destination output folder. Okay, you can see extracted files are msgstore.db, message, wa.db contact and the decryption key also. Okay, you can see extraction is successfully completed. Now uh, move to the decryption sections. Okay, decryptor. As I told you that you have to load the decrypted database. Okay, msgstore.db. Okay, At first I load msgstore.db from the destination file. You can see the destination file is here. Okay, msgstore.db, you can see here, and you can see the date. Okay, you can see the date are here. Okay, now I load the msgstore.db, so and analyze the chats only. As you can see, load the database msgstore.db. Click on load the database. You have to wait for it. You can see it loading the database, and successfully the chat is loaded. Click on OK. Now go to the chat viewer. Okay, now you can see here, uh, okay, now you can see this number. Now you can see the messages are displayed successfully. Okay, you can see here the messages are successfully displayed here. Okay, however, you can see the currently we only see the phone numbers. You can see we currently see the phone number 6204636414. Okay, now in decryptor section I will add the both msgstore.db and wa.db also, both. Then it will here, instead of this number, you can see the number with a name number. Here you can see the saved name of this number. Okay, just you have to open the WhatsApp forensicator. Okay, okay, now you can see, go to the decryptor sections. Now I will add the msgstore.db and wa.db both. Okay, wa.db both, and click on the load the database. Okay, so along with msgstore.db, you can see immediately we can see that the number, you can see in chat viewer, you can see here the number is replaced by the saved contact names cyber octopus. You can see the number is replaced by the saved contact number. So this provides a much clear view of communications. Okay, number is saved by which name, you can easily analysis. Okay, by combination of these two files, msgstore.db and wa.db. Okay, now I specified. Now I will show you one most important things, that you can see on 22/11/2025, you can see there is also exist a media. You can see, is it visible to you?
Yes.
Then how you can see what kind of media is shared by the person, what kind of media can we visualize it? Then you have to, first I will explain you the logic behind it. Okay, uh, at first you have to understand the logic, the how we can get the information, how we can recover, how can we assemble the media. Here you have to understand on the here, from here the phone, you can see the in file manager, uh, go to the android, go to the android sections, go to the media, you go to the com.whatsapp. Here you can see the media files are there. Okay, so basically, I specify the media folder. uh, you have to first understand the what does the media files contains, why we need it here. Okay, So apart from the chat databases, WhatsApp also stored media files. So this includes some image, video, audio files, document, voice notes. If we load msgstore.db, w8.db, okay, here you can see in decryptor sections, if we load uh, msgstore.db, wa.db, and also the media destination folder here, then we can together then we can reconstruct the entire communication history. We can determine which files were shared, who shared them, when they were shared, and correlate them with the chat message. Okay. Also, whenever the chat creates a local backup, it stores the most recent available data. So therefore, the date time of backup very important. Okay. So suppose a suspect delete a conversation. If the local backup has not been updated, then deleted chats may still exist inside the database backup. Okay, for example, showing you, you can see the details about the, you can see last modified is 10/6/2026 2:20 a.m. Okay, what does it mean? If the local backup has not been updated, then deleted chats may still exist inside the database backup. So this is why backup analysis become very valuable during the forensic examinations. Okay, so now we will add the media files also. Okay, you have to copy media file to your PC, and just you have to uh, choose the path of media folder. Okay, you can see I also choose the path of media folder and load to the databases. Okay, you can see. Okay, so here I specify the media folder. Now image, videos, audio files and documents become associated with the corresponding chats. Okay, 2011-25, you can see the messages are available here. Okay, uh, you can see, images are there. Just you have to click on images, you can see. Okay, so this enable us to reconstruct the complete conversation. Okay, you can see the all types media shared by it. Okay, you can see all the conversations. Okay, you can see the images are there. Okay, so now let us move to call analysis. You can see here we can analyze audio call, video call, also the group call, incoming call, outgoing call, missed call, and video calls also. So we can determine who initiated the call, date and time, duration, and participations also. Okay, so now next uh, is VoIP analysis. As we already discussed previously in VoIP lectures, WhatsApp calls operate the over the internet using the VoIP analysis sections. So we can perform the traffic analysis. Okay, for VoIP analysis, you can see here. Just click on Start Sniffer, and as we are connected with a Google Meet, that's the reason here is showing the Google LLC. Okay, now I will choose WhatsApp desktop method to call the target. Okay, target phone. Okay, okay, now you can see I'm using to click on Start Sniffer. Now call to the target number via uh, WhatsApp desktop. Okay,
So screenshot after screenshot on the
Then you can see when the target receive the call. I received the call from,
We
okay,
can see.
okay. Now you
It's
can
not showing.
see, now you can see when the target receive the call,
It's not.
net,
It's not showing. Your screen is not showing.
just one. Okay, now screen is visible, please confirm.
Yes.
Okay, now I initiate a WhatsApp call from WhatsApp desktop. Here you can see you have to just click on call. Okay, uh, you can choose video calling or audio calling as per your situations. Okay, now I choose voice calling. Here you can see. Okay, when the target receive the call, network information is captured. Okay, just I receive the call. You can see here. Okay, you can see the ISP locations, ISP geolocations, internet service provider. Who is the internet service provider of the target? Who provides the public IP to the target? Okay, just here you can see the information is captured. Destination IP address with a port number with a date and time. Okay, so the this provides us destination IP address, ISP information, ISP geolocations. Okay, you can correlate in which country the target is, in which country is target is, you can correlate with this information. You can see P2P, peer-to-peer information, the public IP address of the target, and the geo ISP locations is here. You can see view IP calls. The protocol details are also given. Okay, so this detail can be used for further investigations. So here is important, most important, IP with a date and time. So IP address alone are not enough. Date and time are equally important. By correlating IP address with a date and time, we can further approach the ISP and continue to the investigations. Even account using the virtual number may sometimes be identified through such analysis. Okay, now you can also export the call logs, the basically here VoIP logs. You can also export the VoIP logs. Okay, you can see also there is options here. You can generate all the gather information can be exported. Report may generated here, you can see in the form of txt, in the form of PDF, in the form of HTML format. So these reports can help us to preserve evidence and maintain the proper documentations. Okay, so the conclusion is that WhatsApp forensics has become one of the most valuable branches of mobile forensics because communication evidence often plays a crucial role in solving cybercrime cases. Okay, so thank you everyone. Any doubt, any confusion, you can ask.
What if? What if the suspect it's using a via
Also,
a VPN?
software is already shared with you. Just you have to activate. Okay, our team will help you to activate the software and you can
No, no, no,
use.
no. I mean, what if the incoming call, they're routing through a VPN, not a public internet call.
Okay,
Yeah, they have a.
okay, then it will show the VPN IP address. Okay, then you have to use the site ipapi.is. ipapi.is. Just you have to paste the VPN destination IP here. Okay, just you have to paste the VPN destination IP address. Then you will gather the who is the VPN provider. Okay, then you can gather from the VPN provider uh, with a date and time. Okay, okay, any confusion?
No.
Okay, okay, thank you everyone. See you in next upcoming classes.